Good morning, Excel Church. Many of you will be aware now that the government has updated guidance on our places of worship, which is great news. For weeks now, we've been looking at what we have been calling a recovery plan to get us back into the building. We've also done a risk assessment. So that in itself, by the way, is subject to change. Public health and also Assemblies of God we've been having meetings with on a regular basis, and so we're well informed with what needs to be happening. Listen, we cannot rush back into church, although we would all love to. We cannot rush back. It would be stupid, it would be irresponsible as me as a leader to do that kind of thing. We just want to keep you safe, and we want to make sure that you are safe during this time. However, we have been encouraged by local government. We've been encouraged to take the baby steps back into church, which is what we want to do as soon as possible. We want to introduce services again if we can, but that won't be on a Sunday morning as yet. We'll still be doing online services there. But what we want to do, as from the 12th of July, that's my birthday by the way, the 12th of July, get that in your diary, we shall have 2 services on a Sunday evening. That'll be from 6 p.m. and it'll also be 7:15 p.m. That will be for 45 minutes. They will be that long in duration, 45-minute services. A maximum of 30 people will be able to attend. So both services, we could get around about 60 people there, perhaps. That will be through a booking in system. You'll be able to book in on Church Suite. Dan will let you know all the details on that. Listen up for more information regarding that. Listen, you don't have to come. Don't feel that we are forcing you to come to church at all. Don't feel guilty about getting back in your place of worship. Let me encourage you, if you are in the vulnerable category, please use wisdom. Use wisdom, please. But don't feel guilty about that concerning attending church. You're doing the wise thing. Also, if you have been told to self-isolate, or if you have got any symptoms of COVID-19, then please stay away. It's the best thing that you can do to keep us all safe. Finally, I just want to say thank you. God bless you. We love you, and thank you for your continued prayer, for your help and your support and your finances, everything that you're doing at this time. God bless you all.
We have done 81 devotionals during lockdown. So as the lockdown is now lifting and easing a little bit, we're going to be reducing these. So from this week, we'll be doing our devotionals on Facebook Live each evening at 7:30 on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So be sure to join us starting from this week on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 7:30 on Facebook Live. So our 180 Youth and Kids stream are continuing, so you can join us with that each week if you're interested. Get in touch with our youth team if you'd like to be a part of what's going on with the youth and find out more information about that. And our kids stream services are happening Fridays at 6:30 and Sundays at 10 a.m. So feel free to join, guys.
Make us into houses of worship. Make us into houses of prayer. Hey, all day long. Yeah. We want to worship you, Lord. Everywhere.
You can join us for not 1 but 2 services on Sundays. So we'll be streaming at 11 a.m. as usual, and then we will restream that same service at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So if you want to join for the 3 p.m. service, you can access that at excelchurch.online.church.
Come in, shout your name and you come in. Give me praise, come on. We sing a song and you come in. Make it dancing.
Our Connect groups are going to be continuing, but they're going to be reverting back to how they usually are, which is twice a month. And instead, we're going to be relaunching our Bible study and prayer gatherings, but that's going to be all online at 7:30 on the 2nd and 4th Wednesday of each month. So keep your eyes peeled for the details about the Zoom calls. And don't forget, guys, tonight you can join us for our 6 p.m. prayer meeting where we'll connect together online to pray for our world and one another. So if you need the Zoom details for that call, then just let us know via a message or have a look on our website.